Israel threatened. Gaza anti-aircraft missile targeting Israeli helicopter. Military says attack caused no injury or damage. Bennett. We're not interested in Hamas's excuses about weather. Whoever aims rockets at Israel must take responsibility. In a rare incident, Gazan terrorists targeted Israeli military helicopters with shoulder-launched anti-aircraft missiles over the Strip early Sunday morning during airstrikes carried out by the Israel Defense Forces. During retaliatory airstrikes shortly after midnight, Hamas operatives fired 2 SAM-7 anti-aircraft missiles toward raiding helicopters west of Gaza City, Palestinian media outlets said. The IDF confirmed that anti-aircraft missiles were fired at the helicopters, but would not comment on how many. The military said the missiles missed their mark and caused neither injury nor damage. The SAM-7 missile, also known as 9K-32 STRELA-2, is a Russian-made shoulder-launched surface-to-air missile. They are relatively outdated, having been first made in the 1960s, but remain in use today. The Israeli airstrikes, which were carried out by both helicopters and fighter jets, were in response to 2 rockets that were fired from Gaza on Saturday morning, which landed off the coast of central Israel.